Welcome back to the Cobra Trading Channel, everyone, where we focus on people, passion, and platforms. I'm Alex Bustos, and today we're going to be talking about the max loss rule. You may have heard of the max loss rule or some form of it. And basically what it means is when you hit a certain dollar amount or a number of trades or a number of losses, that you're now done for the day. Now this rule is good in theory, but a lot of people have the rule but never stick to it. So in other words, they don't even have a rule at all. Cobra Trading is able to set that rule for you to help you when you can't stop yourself from placing the next trade. Because how many times have you realized, okay, I probably shouldn't be trading right now. I'm getting close to my max loss, or maybe you don't even have one. Hopefully you do after watching this, but maybe you're getting close to it and you're like, just one more. And then now you're over it. And then you're like, maybe I can make it back. And then you're what? Over trading, which we made a video in the past about avoiding over trading. This can help you with that. So make sure to check that video out. But Cobra Trading allows you to set your own max loss. This can help you stay alive in trading for a long time, to help you survive long enough to where you can start to learn what you're good at. That's important. So if you have any questions about that, you have to reach out to cobratrading.com, click the live chat feature and tell them what your max loss is, and they will literally set it for you. So the moment you hit it, you're locked out. The moment you hit it, you're closed out. You're done. It will help you protect you from yourself. I'm sure you may be frustrated and say, well, you know, that may not work for me because I'm just gonna call them up anyway when I'm mad and say, just take that off. Well, Cobra has you agree to them that they will not change it the same day if you hit it. If you make that agreement, you can't change it. So we're looking out for you when we make sure that you are taken care of. We don't just say we're about people, passion, and platforms. We are about people first. We want you to survive, because we know your passion is trading, and we know if you are passionate about it and you can survive and we take care of you, you'll continue to thrive, and we'll give you the best platforms to do that. So be sure to like and subscribe, and again, y'all take care.